Murphy's always full of monsterific ideas, you know.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a silly sock lobster. For this we'll need a clean plant pot, an old red sock, cotton wool, pipe cleaners, coloured card, paint and stickers. Start by filling an old red sock with cotton wool. This can be tricky, so ask a grown-up to help you. If you don't have cotton wool, you can use old fabric or paper scraps. Let's carefully paint some pink stripes across the lobster's body.
Painty, painty, monster painty.
While that dries, take a piece of red card and draw 2 arms with claw shapes on the end.
You know what this calls for? Some monster cutting. Yeah!
Thanks, Murphy. Remember to ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Let's stick these to the back of our sock lobster body. We can also use pipe cleaners for legs. And for antennae on the head.
But it needs a face. Oh, we can use stickers.
Great idea. 2 for eyes.
Yeah, googly.
And a half sticker for a mouth. Finally, let's add our lobster body to a plant pot so it stands up. You can glue it in if you need to. There we have it. One super sock lobster in a pot, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.